Hello, today I'm going to show you how to run a starter vent. This is a starter. So it's two different kinds. This one you just tape it on. This one you just tape it on and peel the sticker off. You just put that and then put the screw right here. There should be 4 screws. Okay? Put it on like that. Okay? But this one, I'll show you this one, this style. First, clip it on, like that, and then just bend the back. Or it's just gonna pop back out. Alright, clip it in, and bend right here. As you can see, bend it. Okay. See right here, just bend it. Drill a hole right through it. Got your hole. Let me get a glove just in case. Okay. Got your hole right here. What you want to do? Just use. There you go. Got your circle cut. All you do, put this in like that perfectly, and just push this off just push it off this way once you put it in. Okay. Alright, now you want to okay, there you go. That's how you run it. I'm going to show you how to put this one on. This one, it's the same way, but I'm going to show you right onto the heating. All right, onto the furnace. Yeah, I'm converting from oil. As you can see. That's just the new vent. I'm just going to use a flexible. Cutting is simple. You cut the same way. That's a new heating system. Okay. Like I say, it's the same. You cut a square or a square or a circle. Okay. Just cut it the same way. See? Same way. Rectangle. My bad. You cut a rectangle, square, circle, do the same way. Like I said. See this? It's the same. And you screw in where these holes are. So, let me see. All you need to do is peel the sticker off. You got yourself a new starter. Okay. Hold. And that is it. That's how you install it, a starter. Two different kinds. Like I show you both silk style, but two different kinds. And then this one you don't even have to tape it around the edges. The other kind you do have to tape it around the edges so you can seal it. And if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you, I appreciate it.